Hello, we are at Vizja Multimedia Company, one of the leading stage-of rental company in Poland. We started our business over 20 years ago and having in touch with LED products, LED technologies since 2006. Yeah, we have started cooperation with Daycolor. It was I think 2012, and we continuously placing the orders, so there is basically no reason to choose another products. We've been heavily using. They provide very high quality scale. They also can provide very good technical and operation support. Yes, absolutely. I do recommend Daycolor. This is, as I said before, a very reliable company, which already also with a long history. It gives you the certainty that to have support and access to the spare parts for the next years. The purchase conditions, which is very important for us. They also support you from not only from financial point of view, but also on the technical point of view.